Good morning, ELL class. I understand we're having a little bit of trouble with today's work, so I'm going to do a short little video lecture to make sure that we understand what is happening. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we are going to have to go onto my website, and that is the burncrichweebly.weebly.com. So if you're on a computer, at the top right side of the screen, you will see in Home English 8 and ELL Technical Language. We want to go to the technical language part, so put your mouse over here, and then we're going to go down to assignments. Click on assignments, and that will bring us to a new page. We want to scroll down to the bottom here where it says career test. We are going to download that file, and that's going to pop up on our screen here. So the first two pages of our AIM test, it should say Holland's Occupational Personality Types at the very top. Page 1 and page 2, this is all just information about what you are going to learn, and it's talking about 6 different personality types, and these personality types are supposed to tell you what kind of jobs that you are good at. Your assignment today is to go down to page 3 and page 4. So page 3 at the very top, it says your career personality. And now you see a whole bunch of different things on your sheet. What you are going to do is for each of the statements, I want you to read the statement and then put a check mark or an X next to the ones that you think describe you most of the time. If it does not describe you, leave it alone, don't do anything at all. So I'll do a couple of examples here under the realistic section. We would say, are you practical? And practical means that you try to focus on things that are actually happening in the real world. You're not doing things that are more creative. So I would say for me, yes, I am practical. Our next question would be, are you athletic? Do you like sports? And I would say, yes, I am athletic. On the next column, we would say, can you fix electrical things? For me, no, I cannot. Electrical things don't work around me, so I would not put a check mark. I would not put an X or anything. I would just ignore that one. For the third column, do you like to tinker with machines? No. So tinkering with machines, this is where you're just trying to fix things or where you're poking at them to see how they work. I don't like doing that, so I would leave that one alone. And you're going to do that for all 18 questions in the realistic section, the investigative section, the artistic section, and then on page 4, the social section, the enterprising section, and the conventional section.